Intermittent fasting and cholesterol. Mechanisms of cholesterol reduction worth knowing. Hello everyone, today we're diving into the fascinating topic of intermittent fasting and its impact on cholesterol levels in our bodies. Intermittent fasting isn't just a trendy buzzword. It's a method that can offer health benefits, and one of those aspects is cholesterol control. That's why in today's video, you'll discover the mechanisms that underlie cholesterol reduction within this diet. Get ready for an exciting journey through scientific evidence and practical tips on intermittent fasting. Let's get started. What is intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting is a dietary approach where you cycle between periods of eating and fasting. During fasting, you abstain from food, and during eating windows, you consume your daily calories. It's not just about what you eat but also when you eat. Discussing various intermittent fasting methods. 16/8 method. It involves a 16-hour fasting period followed by an 8-hour eating window. This means you eat within an 8-hour time frame and abstain from eating for the remaining 16 hours. 5-2 method. With this approach, you eat normally for 5 days a week and restrict calorie intake for 2 non-consecutive days, often referred to as calorie restriction days. Other methods may have different fasting and eating time frames, but these two are often the most popular and extensively studied. They vary in the duration of fasting and eating periods, offering flexibility to accommodate personal preferences. Fasting is a practice with a long history, dating back centuries. It has been employed for various reasons, including religious motivations for spiritual purification and health-related reasons, where meal restriction was considered beneficial. However, modern scientific research highlights the potential health benefits of fasting, contributing to a significant increase in its popularity in recent years. Nowadays, many people are experimenting with this practice as a tool to improve their health, manage weight, and enhance overall well-being. Cholesterol levels and intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting can influence cholesterol levels by prompting the body to utilize stored fat, including cholesterol, as an energy source. This can lead to a reduction in bad LDL cholesterol and an improvement in overall lipid profiles. Scientific research provides compelling evidence of the cardiovascular benefits of it. It includes observations related to the reduction of LDL cholesterol, an increase in good HDL cholesterol, and favorable impacts on triglyceride levels. These changes are pivotal for heart health. IF can be beneficial for lipid profiles through several mechanisms. Reduction in inflammation, improved insulin sensitivity, and metabolic regulation are just a few of them. These actions may contribute to improved heart health and a reduced risk of cardiovascular diseases. Mechanisms of intermittent fasting's effect on cholesterol. Intermittent fasting affects cholesterol levels through various biological mechanisms. One of these is the mobilization of fat as an energy source during fasting periods. This prompts the body to utilize stored fats, including cholesterol, potentially leading to a reduction in bad LDL cholesterol. Reduction in bad cholesterol LDL. It can contribute to reducing levels of bad LDL cholesterol during fasting periods. The body tends to use LDL cholesterol as an energy source, which can lead to its reduction in circulation. Increase in good cholesterol HDL. It can also increase levels of good HDL cholesterol. Elevating HDL is beneficial because this type of cholesterol helps remove excess cholesterol from blood vessels, potentially preventing atherosclerosis. Lowering triglycerides and inflammation. It may lower triglyceride levels, which are another important component of the lipid profile. Additionally, by reducing inflammation in the body, it may contribute to overall heart health improvement. How to start intermittent fasting. For individuals just starting with intermittent fasting, there are several key tips To begin, it's advisable to choose a gentle plan like the 16/8 method, which has a longer eating window and a shorter fasting period. Pay attention to your body's signals and eat when you're truly hungry. Maintaining balance and consistency in your meal schedule is crucial. There are numerous options and schedules for intermittent fasting to choose from, allowing you to tailor your practice to your lifestyle. Popular methods include 16/8, 5-2, or once-a-week fasting day. Your choice depends on your individual preferences and health goals. It's important for individuals with health issues to consult with a doctor before starting intermittent fasting. For some individuals, such as those with diabetes, heart conditions, or other medical concerns, it may require adjustment or may not be suitable. Consulting with a doctor will help ensure safety and customization of the practice to individual needs. Practical tips and considerations. A few quick tips can help you succeed with intermittent fasting. Be patient and give your body time to adjust to the new schedule. It's also important to stay hydrated and avoid excessive calorie intake during eating windows. Remember that intermittent fasting isn't the sole key to health. During eating windows, focus on a balanced diet rich in fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and protein. Regular blood tests are crucial, especially if you're practicing to improve your lipid profile. Monitoring your cholesterol levels will help assess progress and tailor the practice to your individual health needs. Intermittent fasting can be an effective tool in managing cholesterol levels, but remember that it requires a sensible approach and mindful dietary choices. Consultation with a doctor and maintaining a balanced diet are essential for achieving the best results. It's worth emphasizing that the knowledge shared in this video is based on various sources, including books, source materials, and films. It's important to understand that I am not a medical professional, and this information is provided for general educational purposes. Always, before considering the practice of intermittent fasting or any dietary changes, we recommend consulting with a physician. Your individual health needs may vary, and that's why a professional medical opinion is crucial before engaging in such practices. If you found this video informative and wish to learn more about health and well-being, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and leave comments. Your feedback is valuable to us.